New Nishijimax NCH-130 with a 20-foot load table, high-speed carbide saw, CNC program. Just installed here in Houston. Got strap reduction clamping system. Offload the chute, drop off into multiple different bins. Some ground bar cut on it this morning. See how smooth that is? High precision. Got a little flat bar pieces we cut on it. Customer come to Pioneer Machine Sales and ask for a faster solution to cutting their parts, reduce cut process times, and bandsaw cost. Let us know if we can help you out. It's Chancey. Check out our website, pioneermachinesales.com.